Jay. We at the reptile exhibit. Here is a water dinosaur. Here is a water dinosaur. How much it cost, Jay?
So it's going to cost $26 for us to be able to go up. It's $8 a person plus tax.
Ooh.
Favorite press 0 for you?
0.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you. And you got some gators behind you.
Oh, gators! That was for us to view, Jay.
Yeah, it is for us to view.
Can we pay extra $8 a pop for this? So this is our gator view.
Oh, look at that.
And I'm so hyped.
Whoa. Wow. So I read online, this is the tallest freestanding elevator in the world.
What does that mean by freestanding, Jay?
So it's not like attached to any building or anything, like a wall or something. This is so cool. It's, I think it's 100 feet tall.
100 feet tall. Is that how much on the standard level? How many storage can you fit in?
This many.
My goodness, run out of finger.
We're going to the top of the pyramid. It's so cool.
So right now our view is just a small peck of awesomeness over there. Whoa. Whoa. Ton ton. Ton ton. Oh, this is so scary, Jay.
Yeah, it is really scary.
Don't look down. Don't look down. I'm looking now, Shrek. I'm looking out. Oh.
Okay, we're
My
passing
leg,
the ceiling.
my leg is a bit wibble. Woo, we here.
We're here.
We here. Oh, I think this is a restaurant reception.
Well, look at all that city out there.
Oh, that is neat. I love the wood finish in this place. It's a piranha. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Whoa. Whoa.
Don't look down.
I'm looking now, Shrek. I'm looking now.
It's amazing up here.
I saw Berber. Huh. And we parked down there. It's a heckin' walk. Oh, Peachy, Peach. It's pigeon. Wanna go see the other side, Jay?
Yeah, let's go see the other side.
This is Memphis.
So this is the Memphis side here, right?
Right.
That must be the
Arkansas side.
the Tennessee, Arkansas.
It's pretty in here. Oh. Oh. And this is where we live, on that other side of the river, just around the river bend. Right around the river bend. Ooh. Oh, look at the boat. Jay, look at the boat. Okay, I don't like that sanding sound, so I'm going to go back in here. Hey, where's my pen? Ooh. It's massive. What is that? Is that a whale? Oh, it's a second big boy come out. This one even bigger. And look at they walking so daily on the ground, on the bottom of that thing. Ooh. I'm under the water. Under the sea with the mermaid. It's lovely section. Look at that. Section. Ready for the wind. The benefits of going anywhere super early is you feel like this is a private show event where you are your only invitee and the only guest, so you are the first one to arrive and the last one to leave. You know what? I paid $30 to go in here to Maxi Coffee, you know. Great lighting. Look, Jay, look. This has a dragon on it, a dragon eyes.
Dragon eye?
I think it's a booster. I got a special one with the booster in it. Oh, that was terrible. Oh. Ah, yeah, one left.
So it's my turn now.
Yeah. Ain't half bad, my man. Whoa! That is sick, bro. He decided to go for my bonus ball. He never bowling before, I don't think. Oh, bless his heart. Oh, whoa, good job, bro, good job. You're really sweet though. Dude, that's so hard. Whoa, good job. Okay, I'm a cameraman, I shouldn't jump like that. But I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, good job. Fist pump, fist pump, fist pump. Boom. My goodness, it was so much fun, and it was happened because we didn't think that we're gonna have as much fun because we thought, oh, get a shopping place. What? Like we don't need like more than 1 hour or 2 we're there. Sir, it's been 2.5 hours, and we still haven't seen everything in the store yet. So.
Time to eat.
Oh, that too. And also, if you like our contents so far, and you really already watched this song already, then as well give us a subscribe, and then do your mention with the like button. And then if you have any complaint and a comment to the management position, please put in the comment. And we will see what we can do and put it on to the boss higher up, okay? Thank you so much for watching this far, and we shall see you next time.